Last week we left off on the grill, and here we continue. Okay, first little coats of fiberglass. I'll trim those when they cure. Gotta make it rigid so I can continue to shape it. Okay, we're starting the design of the head scoop. So I 3D printed these to give it a little bit of a curve. And then I'll just put Bondo filler to kind of blend that to nothing. And then we got 3 layers, top and bottom, counting the lid, and then the centerpiece. And then I got my templates for the sides where the hook pins go. Kind of wanted to blend that way up here, but with the headlights weird, so I guess I'll just transition like so. Gotta make a side piece here. I think it's taking shape, giving it a good style. If you look, this is straight, but the top is curved, so it gives that little pop out. And looking down, the curve of the top matches the curve of the bottom, and then this part's in here straight. And then I'll just be putting mesh, the same mesh I had in the grill and down here before. There'll be 3 sections of mesh grill, all matching. Okay, I got all the side pieces put in to curve that a little bit, and then here, the front view, that'll just kind of blend, hopefully. So I'm going to put another layer of fiberglass cloth here and here, all around all this. Got my curve up here started, so I can roll that around and sand it all this, breaking all sharp edges. I got fiberglass cloth on the inside here, so I can put some Bondo glass on the outside. And same thing over here. So that'll blend right off the headlight, just like that. Now we just have a little more fiberglass and start the Bondo. Okay, I'm getting some work done on the hood. And as I'm doing the fiberglass, there's a little pointer. If you want to do fiberglass cloth around a tight bend, cut it at a 45 on the mat. Because if you're doing corners and you cut it straight, the strands going this way aren't helping you at all. And you have half of the strands going this way. Also, if you cut straight with the mesh like this, it always tends to want to pop up. You can even crease it, and it doesn't stay. But if you cut it, this is actually cut at a 45. So you can lay that on there and it stays. You can put a crease in it and it stays. So it's just a pointer. Just cut the mesh, the mat at a 45. Now the pieces will be more fragile, but in the end, you have every strand holding the joint. Starting to take shape. I got a couple thin layers on here. I gotta just skim another couple layers so I get all that smooth. Get the blending going on nice here on the front edge of the hood. So this part here is parallel to this all the way across. So it kind of looks like this is the original hood all the way across, and this is just sitting on it. And I'm working on the curves. Looking pretty good. And around the back side, I just got this part blending down, and then in the middle it just blends away. Starting to take shape. Okay, we've got it all sanded. It's time to put the first coat of primer so I can kind of see what the surfaces look like. Looking pretty good. A little high spot there. Got some little spots there. Yeah, this is a white primer, just to help the white coat the paint. Got a little hole there. Looks pretty good. Little spots. That's what the primer helps show, because all this other Bondo, so many colors, you can't see what's going on really. Little pinhole there. That looks pretty good from this side. I'll have to fill that in under there. Over here I got the grill, giving a little bit of a curve. Can't really see it, but it's just like a curve of Bondo across the front edge. Okay, I got the first coat of primer on the grill. Kind of hard to see, but it has a contour. I didn't want it looking flat and boring. That's going to be painted gloss black or semi-gloss black. Okay, after putting all that work into the hood, I don't like it. Several people also agree they don't like it. So, I suppose I'm going to just cut the hood and leave the top open. So I'm just going to cut it off at that blue tape line and just get rid of the whole top and just leave it an open air cleaner look. But it's still going to look a little odd because the air cleaner is off to one side. And then I have my coolant reservoir. So it'll be kind of just an open hood. Anyway, leave me your thoughts.